In this video, I will be demonstrating how to record a harvest event and how to add inputs on your desktop and mobile device. First, select the harvest tag and click on Record a Harvest. Recording a harvest is a quick and easy 4-step process. We will start by optionally giving the harvest event a title, status, and category. You can set up your harvest event for as long as you would like. You will be able to add as many inputs as you have during the event. Now you can optionally record crop handling and the weather to comply with health and safety requirements or for gap auditing purposes. After you save, you can always go back and change any of the information at a later date. The next step is to pick the location the crops are being harvested. You can either select by block or by crop. If you see the block as red or yellow, it means the pre-harvest interval or the re-entry interval date has not passed and the block is not ready for harvesting. The next step is to enter a tracking code for the harvest. This will appear on the labels. You can either put in your own tracking code or press the blue button with a tag icon on it, and the system will create a tag for the harvest that includes the harvest date and location. If the block failed the pre-harvest interval or the re-entry interval dates, you can always look back to see what spray event caused the block to fail by clicking on the red button. The next step is to confirm all the information is correct about the harvest. The area harvested is automatically populated from the amount of land you have selected. You are able to record what the crops will be packaged in and who did the harvesting. Notes and comments are here to add any information you would like to keep a record of. Now you have created a harvest event, and this is where you can either save and add inputs at a later date or save and add the harvest inputs into the system. Next, I'll show you how to add your inputs. Once you press save and continue to input, you will see the recorded harvest. Click on the button Add Input. The input window will pop up and you can add the information about the quantity of crops harvested, including your preferred unit of measurement. You can add which employees picked these crops and their piece rate if applicable. If you're storing this harvest after setting up your storage system, you can enter where these harvested crops are going. The next step is to select the labels you'd like to print. You can choose to hit Save and Print Tag, and your harvest tag or tags will appear for your review before printing. Then you can print them off to attach to the harvested crops. When you go to pack or ship your crops, you can scan the tag using the Croptracker app on your mobile phone for maximum traceability. And that is how you record harvest inputs and print labels to store them using the desktop version of Croptracker. You can also add inputs on your mobile device or tablet. To do that, you would log into the app and then go to Harvest. Find the harvest event you just created and click on List Event Inputs. There are two methods you can use for adding your inputs. The first way is to select View Inputs and add your inputs there manually, similar to how we did it on the desktop. The second way is applicable to the user subscribed to our Punch Clock module, which allows you to track employees and piece rates through the app. In this case, you'll be able to record employee hours and how much they picked in that harvest. You can also include their piece rate if applicable. Remember, an employee must be punched into that block and be flagged for piecework in order to record piecework inputs for a harvest. And that concludes our video today. If you have any more questions about harvest or other modules, check our knowledge base articles on the Croptracker website or sign up for a free demo today. Thank you for watching.